Don't start a taxi business without this feature. You need to know this feature before starting a taxi business. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agarwal from Ronix. Today we are going to discuss the latest feature in our taxi app. A single screen where a customer's booking can be done by admin. You can see all the live drivers and you can also see the status of all your taxi booking. Easy to use, yes? Check out our latest dispatcher panel available in our latest Uber-like ready-to-launch taxi business app. You can see on world map live all the drivers like this. You can click on the driver icon. The red car means the driver is registered on your platform, but he is not taking booking right now. He is offline. You can see the driver name, driver number, driver location. You can see on different countries. If you have working in the different countries, you can see the drivers where they are exactly. If you click on green, you can now see all the online drivers. And now let's understand how a booking can be manually made by the admin. Here you can see all trips, assigned trip, unassigned trips, completed trips. Now click on book now. Enter the name of the customer. This is a very good feature if a customer wants you to make a booking for them. And now enter the pickup and the drop location. You can see we have successfully added a pickup and drop location. The green and the red icon over here. And now if you want, you can also add more than one stops. That means firstly, customer will be picked up from pickup location, then stop 1 and then the drop location. So that's how the 1 is showing the one stop that we have added. And now choose your available vehicle. The vehicle will be showing just like the customer app according to the nearby availability. You can have as many vehicles like bike, auto, car, rickshaw, any vehicle. And now click on book. You can also see price and kilometers here. Just like how a customer book, exactly same way you can book the booking for a user. And yeah, the booking has been successfully made. And in the admin panel, this is our booking. You can see. Yes, the booking has been successfully made and we can see this booking. And now the booking will go to available all the drivers in that zone and the driver who accepted will get the booking. So that's how our admin can do a manual booking for customer. You can either take payments in cash or you can take in online payment or in UPI. And now let's understand how a book later booking can be done. Book later means that customer wants to book a taxi but not for now. He maybe wants to go after 7 days, after 4 days, after 6 days or anything like that. Exactly same, just choose your pickup and drop location, enter date and time. You can see that is how the blue line you can see over here, that is how the route is created between the pickup and the drop location. And now choose cash and make a booking. And yeah, that's how the book later booking is done by the dispatcher panel. If you want to get a features complete ready to launch application and website like this, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your own application like this. And that's how the book later booking is placed by the dispatcher panel. It's a complete ready to launch application, and starting your own taxi business like Uber, Ola, Rapido, Careem is now very much easy. You can directly contact our team. The number is showing on the screen and our team will create a complete taxi app for you with live tracking, online payment, dispatcher panel like this, website, driver online payment, cash handling and much more in a very low cost. What are you waiting for? Directly contact us. I'll see you in the next video.